Hi, what's up, guys? I'm Mercy the Unstoppable. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today I have another beautiful video again. I always have beautiful videos. So today I want to talk about the ferry life. So I live in Mombasa Island in Kenya. So I work in town and I cross the ocean because I live across the ocean. So my daily life morning I cross the ocean going to work, and in the evening I cross the ocean coming back to my house. So guys, I just feel so good doing this video to show you how it's beautiful to cross the ocean. Like, I love it. It's the Indian Ocean. So guys, before I continue, if you are new here, welcome, and those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and let's grow together. So guys, as I cross the ocean in the morning and in the evening, I always enjoy, but sometimes it's so stressful. But first I want to show the videos of me enjoying the ferry first, then I will show the sad part of the ferry. So guys, hope you enjoy. Let's go. As you can see, guys, it's so beautiful. Like, the ocean is so beautiful, it's so calm. Like, when you cross, you really enjoy. But now let me show you the sad part of it. Like, when the ferry decide that today you have to late for work, I swear. You can even stay there for almost 2 hours, like just there. You don't know if you'll get to work, or you have second thoughts. Should I really wait, or should I go back home and take a leave? So guys, so stressful. You feel like crying, but what should you do? I don't know how to swim. I can't swim over. So guys, enjoy the sad part of Ferry.
Gani yako wapi? Kuna uwezo arudi. Ako wapi? Ako wapi? Akuje afunge. Bure ile. Asa kwa testa kwa
Oh my god. So guys, as you have seen, the ferry can humble you. When it decides today, madam or sir, you have to wait. Guys, you have to sit down and wait. Like, you feel like crying, but you have no choice. As for me, I don't know how to swim. I don't like swimming at all. I don't like water. So it's a no for me. I have to sit and wait. But some, they decide to swim. If it's so serious, like there are some boats you can cross over. So guys, don't panic. If you really wish to visit Mombasa, like, just come. It's the beautiful city in Kenya. Like, it's the coast of Kenya, and it's so beautiful. If you wanna come and see the beautiful Mombasa, just come and visit and enjoy the ferry, like crossing over. It's so beautiful. Like, the water is so calm. You enjoy. Just come and enjoy. Just forget about the stressful part. But if you want to come and enjoy, just come on weekends. Because during the weekdays, from Monday to Friday, everyone is going to work, everyone is crossing so the ferry is so busy, so you won't even have time to enjoy. But if you want to enjoy the ferry, come on weekends. I swear you'll enjoy. So guys, hope you really enjoyed my video, and I'm so grateful for those who keep coming back and watching, and those who keep on subscribing. Thank you so much. We are about 300 now, and I really don't know what to say, but I'm so grateful. Thank you guys. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for not saying like, why should I watch this one? You just come, open my page, you watch my video full. Like, I'm so grateful. Thank you, and may God bless you. We're all here to help each other, so you subscribe and we continue growing. Thank you so much, and welcome again as I prepare another beautiful video again, because I always have beautiful videos. Thank you guys, and bye, and happy Easter to all.